Alright, I'm going to tackle these rear cow, so I've marked just so I can see where that is. You don't want to cut that off. Maybe grind that back or drill the spot weld out. That side, same as this side. Just cut along there and there. Hopefully I can get in there. And yeah. Alright, so I've cut these out like that. So you cut along there. That's just what I've done. Make it easier. You cut those, drill those spot welds out. Come under here. And sort of cut through. Cut through there, and there, and then cut little bits out. Drill the spot welds out. Where's the bit? There. Bend those up, drill those two spot welds out, that piece will come off. Same on that side. So yeah, I'll grind that back flush. Thinking that's how it goes. And then your piece. Sit on that. I think I could probably there's only that little hole there. I could probably weld up a little bit there. I could probably just go straight across. There and then straight across there. It saves me fiddling around with all that, and that doesn't even look rusty at all. Maybe it's just the top part through there. So I think I might just do that. A bit easier. So hopefully that sort of shows you how to do it. I'll just use the texture to mark where I wanted to cut. Here, there, don't go too deep, doesn't want to be that. Cut along the back, leave that lip. Do the same there, so you can see the texture marks there. Rightio, so that's just about how you want it. It's sitting in there pretty good. I'll sit in there in a second. Clean all that up. I've got well through fine with a spray all in there, and I'll sand all that up. It's all nice. And yeah, it fits in there snugly. There, I've got a couple of these. Maybe a little bit more trim in there. Sit there. So yeah, you could use the rest of these sides, but these ones are fine. Just cut it straight along there, make it a bit easier. Clamp all that down. It's looking good. Under here, it sits down on that. Pretty good. So what I didn't show was me putting the boot on, I don't know, 5 or 6 times, just trying to line it up. I did bash those tabs, I didn't bash them, I hit them up a little bit just to adjust the height. as well as that middle bit and the 2 edge tabs, just because it needed to sit up higher. Yeah, just so the boot, it sat with the boot nicely. I'll put in a picture quickly just to see that. I tacked it in a few times and then took it off and adjusted it, so there's a fair bit of adjustment to do. But once you get it right, it sits in there nicely. I welded it all through underneath, and only a little bit on the top where you couldn't get into with that middle piece. So that's with the bonnet on there. Sits not too bad. I think I adjusted it a couple more times just to get it sitting a bit better. Yeah, the gap's not too bad there. There is some tension in the metal, so it leaves that there gap, but it does get closer, and I welded all that up. You'll see in the next picture. Just spot welds or whatever, tack welds, sorry. Just keep building them up, going along. There's the final product. It sits in there, no worries, and the boot sits on there all good. So yeah, cheers for watching this one. This is just a little guide, I guess, to how to do it. Don't take my word for it, it's just an idea on how to do it. Yeah, cheers.